Hi, welcome to SAP configuration part 3. Today we are learning how to create master data. Before proceeding with master data, we know what type of data available in SAP. In SAP there are three types of data available. First is configuration data. Configuration data are created with the configuration. Whatever configuration till now we have done, all data saved in a TR. TR is transport request that is used to move all configuration from one client to another client. Second one is transaction data. Whatever transaction we are doing in our day-to-day practice, like we are creating uh, production order, we are creating purchase order, we are creating vendor, we are creating or we are transferring stock, or we are any type of confirmation or any type of transaction we are performing on SAP are saved in transaction data. Third one is master data. Master data required to perform all the transaction in SAP. The like a material code. Material code is master data. Like vendor master. Like any company code, any plant, all are fall in master data. Master data further divided into two parts. In SAP it divided into two parts. First one is material master, second one is vendor master. All the material are created like any electronics device or yarn material code or service material code. All the material code are created on material master. How to configure material master? Let's start with material master. The first step to configure material master is create number range for material. Whatever we are material creating, what number assigned to that material, it's depend upon our number range. Go to your SAP GUI, open SPROT code, go to IMG, click on enterprise structure. These are our previous step, definition and assignment we already done. Now I am proceeding with material master. Okay, go to logistic material master, then basic setting, then go to material types, define attributes of material types. Click on IMG, click on logistic Genral, click on material master, click on basic setting. In basic setting, go to material types, and click on define attributes of material type. This is the SPRO path. Click on define attributes of material types. Click on position. Find standard material type 1000. If you not find standard material type or someone modify this, then copy any existing material type. Select row, click on copy. Give name, your name that you want to create. Like I will take ZROH for raw material. Give field reference if you want to give. This field reference refer to field in table. Whatever table, if you want to refer this field to any table, to a specific field, you can refer here. You can also define field selection group. We will discuss further on this field selection group, how we make any field mandatory or optional, how we change reference of field, that we all done next chapter. You can also define authorization group if you want to specify, if you want to give authorization of this material type to some specific people, you can define authorization group. You can also define category group. Here are some category defined by standard SAP. You can also define your category. You can customize SAP category, like someone customize make to order to their oven name 0001, like configurable standard one. And there are many types. Some are defined by SAP, some are defined by functional. These are some type. The NORM is standard type SAP, defined by SAP. You can also define special material types like material configurable, process material, pipeline mandatory. Some it's depend on nature of material. Like your material is water is coming regularly in flow, you can define pipeline or manufactured part. Here is internal and external purchase order. You can also define here your material is externally procured, internally procured, or no external purchase order allowed. If you define external purchase order allowed, then on this material you can get PO to purchase externally. So we will define number 2 external purchase order. Here you can take view that you want to take in your material. These all view are come when you create material. These all view show you at that time. Someone already created this material type. This will give me an error. This material type is already created. created already defined material type, so that I will show you how to create material type. Now we will select any row and copy and give my name. External type 2. I will take purchasing, basic data, storage. If you want to take quality management, you can take. I have no requirement of sale. If your material is saleable, you can take sale. Work scheduling is for PP configuration. I will take some basic view that required me. Press enter. Press enter. This will show how many records are copied. Click on quantitative value update. Select row. Click on this. Here you can define when you perform any transaction on your material, is there quantity updated required, is there value updation required. You can define here. Search for your material, click on quantity updated and value update. When I do any GR good shipped or good issuance, it will update quantity as well as value. Click on save. Press enter. We define material types for material master. Now define number range for each material type. We created ZROH. Now we are defining number range for ZROH. Here already some number range are defined. As you look on this number range, 4000 to 40,000 to is here. Someone take 99 record. You can take this number range or create your own new number range if you want, and assign to your material type that you created right now. Click on group, find your material type, that ZROH we created right now. Click on this. Number range assigned to your material type is CH. You can change this also if you want to change. Click on element group, select number range, you can select any number range from these, or you can also create your own number range. If you want to create your new number range, here two options. First one is check number range. If there is any free number range like this 12 is, no one till use this number range as showing 00 or 00, you can assign this number range to your group, or you can create new number range for your group. You have both options. Click on groups, select your group, assign number A, but like I will take 12. Click on save. Your changes are saved. If you want to check, cross check, click on your type, select and view detail. Here you define number A CE to your group. You can also create new. Click on this. You can give your group name, like I will give this, and give any number range. You have to find which one is free, like I will take 600. It will show interval. This number is already taken by someone. You can cross check which one is free. If you want to cross check, come back, click on interval, check which one is free. This 12 is free, this 13 is free. You can assign this, or you can delete this and create your own, or you can find any number range that is not assigned anyone till now. You will assign that number range also to your group. Now we have created material type and assigned to group. SPRO IMG material master, general setting, go to logistic, material master, basic setting, material types. We define our material types and define number range for our material types. First we created material types, now we define number range. Now we create material with our use Code MM01. You can also click here for new tab. We define number range for our material. Second one, create interval for material type. We create interval. Interval means whatever material I will create using this material type that I will create right now with the name ZROH. Then it will take number from number range I have created here. Come to SPRO. The path for this is same path below. Define attribute for material type. Third one is define number range for each material type. Now our third step, create material. Using ZROH material type. Enter Code MM01. Come to new screen, press MM01, enter, Select industry type, whatever your industry type is. Like I will take mechanical engineering. Select your creator material type ZROH. When you click on ZROH, you will find here is description is blank. If you want to give description to your type, go to same location, define your attributes type in configuration, find your material type and give here your material type. Like I will give raw material for my company KP. Press enter, save. Now open MM01. Select mechanical engineering. Select material type. Here you will find ZROH. ZROH. I will give description raw material for KP. Click on this, press enter. Now you will see, like I will the view that you have given, only that view shown to you. I will select some basic 1, basic 2, MRP I not required. You can take whatever required according to your organization. Like purchasing, if you want to take, you can take general data, accounting. Press enter, give your plant name. In my case KP50, give your store location. Like I have created RM01. Give your material name, like I will create earphone. Give base unit, I will take EA. Each, give your material group, in which category you will want to put this material. Like I will take any electronics, like I will take this electronic group. You can create your own material group also if you want to create. Press enter, give purchasing group. We have created BPG. Press enter, give MRP type, like I will give ND. Here are some standard, like no planning. If you want to do some planning or MRP, you can give your planning. Press enter. Here you can give price control if you want, like moving or standard. Standard is fixed price if you want to, or moving, like you are purchasing raw material. Sometime you are purchase 10 rupees, sometime 12 rupees, your price is changed, then you can take moving. You can give moving price, save. Your material is great. Now in next class we will create vendor master and vendor code. Thanks for listening.